Hey guys, how's it going? Lewis Harding Invest here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about revenue growth. Let's get straight into it. Revenue growth illustrates sales increases or decreases over time. It is used to measure how fast a business is expanding. More valuable than a snapshot of revenue, revenue growth helps investors identify trends in order to gauge revenue growth over time. If a company generated 75 billion in revenue in 2020, and 100 billion in revenue in 2021, the company experienced roughly a 33% increase in revenue. How much growth is reasonable? It depends on the company, the industry, and the economic situation. A growth rate of 10% a year, sustained over time, is remarkably good. Only about 10% of global companies sustain an annual growth rate in revenue and earnings of at least 5.5% over 10 years. While strong revenue growth is one metric for success, it's important to look at several years and the consistency of growth over time. If growth is simply a 2 or 3 year event, it does not necessarily bode well for a long-term investment. Growth for a business is essentially an expansion making the company bigger, increasing its market and ultimately making it more profitable. Measuring growth is possible by looking at some important stats, such as overall sales, number of staff, market share and turnover. On the flip side, investors should not be greatly concerned when a company sees poor revenue growth a few years in a row under certain conditions. For example, companies in industries that have been impacted by COVID-19 will likely see poor revenue growth in 2020 and 21. Again, it's important to zoom out and look for a pattern in either direction, growth or loss, to determine the direction in which a company is moving and if it might be a good potential investment. Thank you for watching. As always, it would be amazing if you could like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. However, you can check out some of these videos.